Hi, welcome to Landspot. If you want to create your real estate aspirations, today I want to show you the 0.09 acre property in the heart of Peoria, Illinois. Here's Peoria, and just 11 minutes away from the city center on West Humboldt Street is your new parcel. This lot offers a prime location, just minutes away from local schools, ideal for families or residential development. Nested in a quiet neighborhood with easy access to shops, parks, and main roads, it's a great opportunity to build a home in a well-established and growing community. This parcel has power, water, and paved roads available, so you can reap the benefits of the land's spaciousness and build a home that suits your needs. This 0.09 acre parcel is $4,000 and there are two ways to purchase it. If you're financing, you would have to give a down payment of $114 due today, and the property will be reserved just for you. The rest will be divided among 36 monthly payments with a 0% interest rate. If you want to pay full, you can reserve this property with only $500. The rest will be due within the next 3 days. Our team will get in touch and guide you through the process. Secure this property today and create your own paradise in Peoria, Illinois with this 0.09 acre property.